I grabbed. I had a friend who did a portrait of me, and grabbed that and my dog, and that was really it. The girls grabbed like some stuffed animals. Lauren grabbed her ring. She grabbed my ring too, thankfully. um, and that was it. But we had, there's so much stuff, stuff from my mom,
But
my
pictures and
granddad.
stuff. Or is everything on the cloud these days?
No, the old pictures, they weren't. We didn't upload them. We thought we'd get to that later, and some mementos from my grandfather and my dad that it's you're not gonna be able to find that. I mean, you can't find that stuff, but we're safe, So the most important thing, like you said,
Yeah. Everything else you can rebuild and
So now it's like trying to be more intentional too about the stuff that I get. Like, do I really need this, and do I need more of this? And
become a slave, right, to your things.
Can I give this away? Like it was great. We like just the outpouring of support from like everybody that I knew, the jiu-jitsu community included, and at some point it was like, all right, like we've got enough clothes. The girls have enough toys now. Like, can we pass this? We'll accept it. Can we give this away to somebody else, or can we find another family that could use this? And that's what we did for the first couple of months, and
you were in Altadena, like you started training at 10th Planet right up there, 10th Planet Pasadena, right?
Yeah.
And they were in the middle of all the fires, right? We had our Legacy Pasadena. We did some like a fundraiser, right, and did some stuff too. But like we were of course we were affected, right? But not. They were like right in the middle of that neighborhood, right?
Yeah, the surrounding, it's crazy. The building survived. The buildings to the north and south burned down.
Wow.
That one stood. So, yeah, that was like it was like a 4-minute drive from my house. So I'd pop in all the time, and still going. Obviously, it's difficult because, like you said, they're right in the thick of it. So the community's gone. So people who can drive in, but many can't. There are other places. And
what about the schools? The schools burnt down.
Yeah, schools burnt down. My youngest's school burnt down, and for the first couple of months, they were kind of bouncing around locations. Now they found a location, but Eloise's school was further in Pasadena. It was fine, so we were driving in from Upland to get her there.
Okay,
but
are you guys back in the area?
Yeah, we're back now, renting a place in Pasadena.
Man, what a turn of events, right?
It's
one
been
day to the next.
Yeah, it's just like you think about it, like what would it be like just in one night just to lose all your material possessions?
Oh,
It's just, yeah. And it's that part of it wasn't so bad, it's there, like we're saying, like it's material. Most of the things, they're material possessions, but just like, I don't know how to explain it. Like like losing your home it's more than just the possessions. It's the memories that we had there, like Violet being born there, our first home, the community, the neighbors, and what that area meant to a lot of people too. Altadena, it is a unique city, and it's never gonna be the same. But we'll build back.
Yeah,
I think a lot of folks will.
Yeah, I went to your I think your house opening when you first moved in and got it ready.
Yeah,
I think that was it. Where you had your little office in the backyard.
Yeah, I think it was a birthday party.